Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about how long does it take to get the first sale, or maybe how long does it take to get the consistent sales from your shop. We're going to be talking about either the Redbubble or the Teepublic. In general, we're gonna be talking about these some print-on-demand websites and how long does it take to get your first sale and more of a consistent sales later on. So I'm gonna be talking about that. So let's get straight with that. Before going to the good part, consider clicking the like button, guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want more tutorials or more videos like that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So whenever I'm gonna upload it, you'll be get notified about it. And if you want the free graphics, the free KDP interiors, and free patterns, then I have made a new platform for you guys. You already know that's globocreative.com. You can click over to that link, is in the description box below, or either just type globocreative.com and go to the freebie section and download all the freebies that I have on the platform, which contains a full commercial license, so you can use it whatever way you want to. And also guys, one thing I want to tell you, that you already know that I have made the two channels. One is the finance channel, another one is the designer channel. I'm going to leave the link of them in the description box below. Another channel I made like a few weeks back that is related to the personal growth, some sort of a motivation and simple minimal lifestyle, because I'm more of that kind of person. So if you check that channel out, which talking more about the personal growth and all, I'm going to leave the link of my channel in the description box below, although it's more specifically talking about the females, but you guys can also watch that channel. And if you love personal growth and if you love what I'm talking on that channel, then you can subscribe to that channel as well. I'm going to leave the link of the channel in the description box below. You guys can check it out, because I talk based on my own experience and knowledge so far on that channel regarding the personal growth. I'm not a guru or an expert. I'm just talking based on the experience and all. So you can check it out if you want to check that channel, is in the description box below. Now let's talk about how long does it take to get the first sale. And like from few months I've been getting consistent sales on my Teepublic shop, and I don't have too much designs onto the Teepublic shop. Like when I getting started with my consistent sale, that time I was having 230 designs in my Teepublic shop, and then I keep uploading it. So far I have reached to 500 designs onto the Teepublic. So I was getting the consistent sales from the January, like pretty much from the December, because December was kind of like, you already know it's a Q4, so you get much sales. But then the January, February, I was getting consistent sales. So at that time I was only having 200 or 250 designs, but I've been uploading it. So now till I have reached to 500 designs, and it's going pretty well, and I'm getting daily sales and monthly sales from the Teepublic shop, although you can't increase the profit onto the Teepublic shop. But yeah, it's good as a monthly side income coming from one print-on-demand website and all. Well, how long will it going to take you to get the first sale or to get the consistent sale? Well, no one can answer that for you. No one can answer that question for you, because no one know how your shop is going, how the things are going well for you. Are you optimizing your designs or not? Are you uploading more designs or not? Are you promoting them on other social media platform or not? It depends a lot on those factors, so nobody can answer for it for you. But guys, if you are consistent on uploading the designs and you're doing the pretty much all the basic work that should be doing for getting the sales, then you can get more likely to get the sales in 3 to 4 months, or maybe within a month of uploading the designs. It depends on whatever the niche you are targeting. So there are the few parameters that I want to consider for looking out for more sales. The first parameter to get the more sales is about the trends. Now you already know that trending designs are quite popular, and trends go up and down, but you can write the trends when they are on the high, and then you can also look for another trends when that trend is going down. So it's kind of like a waves, it's come and goes, and all kind of stuff is there, so you need to be prepared for that. The thing that you can do is following the trends and preparing your shop for that to get the more sales or to get your first sale fast. Another thing I want to tell you guys, that is really important to have a mixed combo of the evergreen and the trending designs, because people see the trends or good sales in a few months or in few days, and then later on the sales suddenly drop down and they go back to normal, and they think that what should I be doing next? why I'm not getting that sales, why is this happening with my shop. I want to tell you, have a mixed combo of evergreen and trending. In fact, I would say kind of like a 60-40% ratio, like 60% evergreen and 40% trending designs. And basically guys, I rarely follow trends in my Teepublic shop. I mostly have the evergreen designs that are personally made by me. Talk about is promoting and sharing your shop, which is really important because nowadays the competition is increasing. Redbubble has more competition than the Teepublic, you already know about it. So promoting is really important. You can use the free social media marketing tactics to promote it on the Instagram, the Facebook groups, the Pinterest. You can even promote it onto the Quora, like go onto the Quora and type for the forms. Like if people have something related, questions related to your niche, you can answer them and you can drop the link of your shop in that answer. Or you can promote it onto the different social forums. Like there are so many online forums related to a particular topic. So if you're targeting a particular niche, you can go onto that particular forum and can help those people, provide value to them, and then you can send them your shop link or either drop a link if that's possible in that forum. So there are so many ways in which you can promote your shop. You can even refer a friend, like you can talk to your friend, your family member to buy something from your shop, or you can share your shop links with whoever you know, in your family member, in your relatives, colleagues, and let them know it's your designs and they can buy and they can support you. And there are so many ways in which you can do it, guys. So that is another parameter to promotion. Now the fourth another parameter is the patience, which is damn true, but you need to have the patience because nothing happened overnight. You need to tell yourself it's not an overnight rich money making scheme. You're not gonna be rich in night or in a month. It will definitely going to take some time. It will going to start as a side hustle, and then later on how much time and effort you're putting in your shop and building up, and it will going to decide on those factors how much sales you're going to get it, or whether you're going to convert your side hustle into full-time income or not. Emphasize more about it. I see that people lacking the patience, quitting up, thinking of something else. They have unrealistic expectation and they end up getting something else out of it, and then they feel bad about it and they just tell on the internet to everyone, don't make a shop onto the Redbubble. They are scammers, they are pet people. Don't make a shop on that. You're not gonna get money, you'll not become rich. And they keep on talking about all those things on the internet, telling other people not to get started with that. It's all because of the unrealistic expectation of you thinking something else when you were starting with your own Redbubble shop or Teepublic shop and then adding it to something else. So have a proper realistic expectation. Don't think you're gonna make good money or rich money overnight. It will going to take some time. Nothing happened overnight. The last thing that I want to cover in this video, which is another really important parameter, is are your designs searchable in the search engine of that particular print on demand site or not? Like if you are making a design which is like no one is looking for, then how are you gonna get sales from that? And some people try to think that they want to reinvent the wheel, they want to try something new, they want to try a niche which is not there, and maybe they can get the sales in that, and they want to experiment with the platform. If you're looking for ways to get fast sale, then I would say probably go for the niches or design ideas for which people are already looking for. You can type for that particular topic in the Redbubble or onto the Teepublic and see for the designs that are already popping up for that particular keyword. And then upload the design according to it. Optimize your shop, optimize your designs according to it, which I couldn't emphasize more. I think I've been talked about a lot in my videos about this particular thing. Optimizing the tags, title, description, which is really important, and then optimizing each and every product according to your design, whether you need to maximize it, minimize it, or you need to make some changes to it, which is really important factor. But along with that, I have one bonus tip for you as well. One bonus tip, guys, which I think is another important thing. Free according to your product. Like if you feel like this particular design is not looking onto the product good, like if you are uploading a card design onto the t-shirt, it might look good, it might not be looking good, but you need to make a separate design for the t-shirt because you want your t-shirt design to look good and also your card design to look good. So make sure you're making another design for your t-shirt and uploading it for that particular design. This is really important because people just upload the design like that only and thinking that it will going to sell. And when someone is actually coming onto your shop and they are interested in some particular product for that design, and then they see that that design is not looking good on that product, no one will going to buy from that, guys. So make sure you do that. Just an extra step, but it will really going to help you a lot. So these are the few parameters and some tips that I see that is really important for you to get your first sale fast and also to get the consistent sale. But do let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, and if you have a few more tips or if you have anything from your side to say about this topic, I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.